Question 1. In a school of 80 students, we have 35 students who play football, 28 who play basketball, 15 students play both football and basketball. So what are the questions? How many students play only football? B. How many students play only basketball? C. How many students play neither sport? That is, how many students do not play football and basketball? In a situation like this, let's look at the number of sets we are considering. Football and basketball. How many students play football? Total is 80. From the question, total is 80. 35 plays football. Those that played football are 35. Those that play basketball are 28. So for basketballers, they are 28 in numbers. And for those that play football and basketball, those that play both, you can simply say F and D to represent both football and basketball. They are 15 in numbers. These are the information that they gave us. So I asked to find how many students play only football. This should be very simple now. All we need to know is that these students that are 15 in numbers, when they called football students, they were present. So which we need to get them out of this set in order to have the total number of those that play football only. So to get the total number of those that play football only, you just have to say football only equals 35 minus 15, and that will give us 20. The basketball only equals 28 mentioned earlier minus 15 intruders, which will give you 13. And with this, how many are they altogether? Both for football and basketball, both, that's 15. So when you do the total of this, you have 48. And you come over here and say that the total number of students, the total number of students in consideration, which is the universal set, is 80. 80 minus 48 is equal to 32. So it means that we have 32 students left who are not mentioned here. Maybe they do some other sports, not football and basketball. So to represent this on the Venn diagram, all you need to do is you can let F represent footballers, while B represent basketballers. Then from our calculations, 20 play football only and 15 plays both, while 13 play basketball only. Then we have 32 of them who play neither football nor basketball, while the universal set is equal to 80. So you check if you are correct or not. So you do 20 plus 15 plus 13 plus 32. 20 plus 15 is 35. 13 plus 5 is 45. When you do the total, you have 80, which means you are correct. So to answer your question, 20 play football only, 13 plays basketball only, and 32 play neither football nor basketball. I hope this answered your question.